Welcome back to Freshco Graphics. Whether you're a returning viewer or joining us for the first time, we're thrilled to have you. Subscribe now for captivating insights into home and interior design. Tranquil Country Charm, a French home in sage and cream. The French country style captures the effortless elegance of the pastoral countryside, embodying a sense of warm, lived-in comfort. This design philosophy moves away from perfection, embracing instead the beauty of natural materials and soft, weathered hues. At the heart of our design narrative lies a serene palette of sage green and creamy off-white, colors that directly echo the Provencal landscape. These tranquil tones form a calming backdrop throughout the home, promoting relaxation and a connection to nature. Introducing botanical prints in this palette further enhances the organic, indoor-outdoor feeling. The ultimate goal is to create a sanctuary that feels both refined and rustically charming, a true haven from the modern world. The home's welcoming character begins with a stone or stucco exterior, in a warm honey-toned or soft beige hue. A sloping mossy tile roof and shuttered windows framed by climbing ivy enhance its rustic, time-worn appeal. The garden should feel lush and slightly untamed, bursting with lavender, rosemary, and sage to reinforce the botanical theme. A simple gravel or flagstone path meanders through the planting beds, leading invitingly to the front door. For a final touch, place weathered terracotta pots filled with white geraniums by the entrance. This approach ensures the home sits harmoniously within its natural surroundings, promising tranquility from the very first glance. Upon entering, a sense of calm is immediately established with walls painted in a soft, creamy white. The focal point is a stunning botanical print wallpaper on a single accent wall, featuring detailed illustrations of local herbs in sage green. A rustic darkwood console table with gracefully curved legs stands beneath an ornate, gilded mirror to reflect light. A simple jug filled with fresh or dried lavender adds a subtle, fragrant touch of Provence. Underfoot, a patterned encaustic cement tile or a worn Persian rug in muted colors adds character and depth. This space perfectly sets the tone for the entire home, blending rustic elements with refined decorative touches. This room is the heart of the home, designed for comfort and quiet conversation with walls adorned in a subtle sage green botanical print. Plush, overstuffed sofas and armchairs in cream-colored linen or cotton invite you to sink in and relax. Natural light filters through sheer, floaty curtains, highlighting the rustic wood beams on the ceiling and a carved stone fireplace. A central time-worn oak coffee table anchors the space, topped with a few curated books and a simple ceramic vase. Accents like a woven basket filled with wool throws and aged brass candlesticks add layers of texture and warmth. The overall atmosphere is one of understated elegance and profound comfort, encouraging hours of peaceful repose. Designed as a serene retreat, the bedroom features soft cream walls that create a restful, cloud-like envelope. The headboard, upholstered in a delicate sage green linen, serves as a gentle accent against the neutral backdrop. Bedding is layered with crisp white linens, a chunky knit throw, and pillows featuring subtle botanical embroidery. A pair of vintage wooden nightstands with ceramic table lamps provides soft, ambient lighting for evening reading. A graceful armoire with paneled doors stands opposite the bed, offering storage while contributing to the room's rustic character. The result is a space that feels incredibly peaceful, ensuring a tranquil night's sleep. The dining area fosters a warm, convivial atmosphere perfect for long, leisurely meals with family and friends. Walls painted in a rich, muted sage green provide an intimate and enveloping feel, making the space cozy. A substantial reclaimed wood table with a time-smoothed finish is surrounded by mismatched, cane-back chairs painted in cream. Overhead, a statement iron chandelier with candle-style bulbs casts a soft, inviting glow over the table setting. A large rustic hutch displays heirloom china, white stoneware, and collections of vintage glassware. This room masterfully combines rustic elements with a touch of formality, creating an environment that encourages connection and celebration. The kitchen balances rustic charm with timeless functionality, featuring cream-colored shaker-style cabinetry. A central island with a weathered wood countertop provides a perfect spot for food preparation and casual gatherings. Open shelving displays white pottery and woven baskets, adding to the authentic utilitarian feel. Sage green subway tile backsplash and fresh herb pots on the windowsill seamlessly tie the space back to the overarching botanical theme. This space becomes a spa-like oasis with walls clad in a small scale, sage and cream botanical print or simple subway tile. A freestanding vanity with a carved apron, painted in cream, offers classic charm and practicality. Wrought iron fixtures and a framed vintage-style mirror add the perfect finishing touches. Plush, white towels and a simple stool holding a potted fern complete the serene and refreshing atmosphere.